Hey y'all, it's me, Isha Lily. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returner, hope you've been having the week you deserve. It's been a pretty hectic 2024, all right? There was a lot of things going on in the beginning, into the transition, and then the trickling into now we're in May. We're in May. Oh, not too much on me, but I'm gonna try again and get back into it. And here we are. Today we're going to be watching season 2 of Heartbreak High. I watched season 1. I enjoyed season 1. Do I remember a lot about season 1? I really hope they got a recap. We're going to get started and get right into it. But before we really truly press this space bar to play, please understand this is not a market substitute. All right, I'm watching this on Netflix. Please go and support the original content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe. You know, all the YouTube things that you're supposed to say. My best friend dumped me! There's a recap. Okay, we're starting. I thought we were starting from the fire of the car. Is this a prom? Or if you have any pics in one sitting. Is there any way to tell if you're a hero? How are we gonna get a season 3? What? Oh, Miss Principal. Is this the final season? Because the high of Heartbreak High is seemingly no longer. I love her hair.
What is that? Pepper spray? Did you make this yourself? Yeah, I found a recipe on the internet.
You didn't want to just buy pepper spray?
I have one mission from now on: protect you at all costs. This is kind of cool.
What the? Don't do that. Because I genuinely thought he was there. Ah! Quitty! Recently on TikTok, before this show came back out, everybody was doing like Quinny edits and everything, and I was in love. Excuse me? Let it be known.
What the fuck is that?
The way he was looking us up and down. Okay, I'm calm, cool, collected. You could have at least waved.
Brutal.
Is she our cousin? I can't remember. Oh.
Care? Given what we yawned about over the holidays?
I don't really need any more drama in my life.
You want a drama-free life? Stay clear of Amory. The bitch is like chaos and strife. Just follow her.
I thought we were cool with her. Well, excuse me.
It's too late to be homeschooled.
You've cooked it already with that ass.
How old are you?
Hey, Dusty from Wish.
Yeah, what are you wearing?
It's called Evolving. Someone has to be the hot guy howling out. And
Wait, what happened to Dusty?
Oh, what, you didn't hear? Dusty doesn't go here anymore. I mean, how could he after you carried his reputation in front of the whole school?
Oh, be so for real.
Who's your next victim going to be?
Shut up, Spider.
I hope it's you.
Dusty put in jail.
I said shut the fuck up, Spider. Amory, no.
So it doesn't work?
The harvest, so I'm gonna squirt him with my crafts, Dusty.
Oh, Anne-Marie. What?
That's a lot of gummies, dude.
No decorum.
You know I
He's gonna
plugged
be
in for an
sick
evidence-free
throughout
check.
first period.
Let's not stop the hopper. And I wasn't gonna hear.
So, do we think that assaulting people is a good way of standing up for our friends, do we?
Yes.
You knew?
Yeah.
I'm Amory.
Rowan.
Why would you do that?
Anthony Boyd's stomping his dick off in the quad.
What?
It causes nothing but trouble. Makes you do stupid shit. Makes girls hate me. Oh, I am. I totally am.
Oh, I am. Ah, what?
We've actually gone through this. Can be useful to talk about how we're feeling before it starts to come out.
Spiders gonna piss me off.
Oh, you're blaming this on SLTs.
Not weed.
My bag's gone.
Oh gosh.
So weird. I swear we left ours together. Don't worry. I'm sure Darren and Quinny probably just took it.
And they didn't take yours. Okay, now Anne-Marie's just not thinking this season, and if this is gonna be a recurring thing, it's gonna get very irritating.
Hey peeps, welcome to SLT class.
Spider, why are you still here? Why is Spider still here?
Spider's gone with mental illness grade.
Flirting with me.
No, I'm just hot and talking.
I'm gonna use that.
How would you like to express how you're feeling, Spider?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe chuck something. Punch something. Dicks exist. XY chromosomes exist. It's so easy to blame men, isn't it?
Ah, shut when you think about it.
Crayon.
Well, you're choosing not to be fixed.
Oh, Spider's gone and literally Pokemon into peak incel.
That's it. I'm done. No. I am walking out of this classroom once and for all. All of you dudes in here, you're actually men.
Oh.
Oh. What now?
Yeah.
Snakes on top!
What? Oh.
Oi,
You could have been any less obvious.
I've been thinking a lot about you.
Thinking a lot about you too. You really need to be there for Harper right now.
I get it. I'm not gonna pretend I'm not disappointed. It's cool of you.
Fuck it.
What? She didn't even make a week. Are y'all serious? I thought it was just gonna be making out. They were here doing the do.
We found Harper's bag.
Oh. Oh. Clock it. No, she did not.
What is?
Chook? Chook? He keeps looking her up and down. Like, you better stop.
I'm geeking. I was so geeking.
You did it, right? Your bag's psycho.
Oh, I'm scared of birds. I didn't even touch. I didn't even wear this sort of thing back in Dubbo. I just first day. I don't know.
Well, then why are you wearing it now?
It's just that vest.
Lose the vest. Yes.
Yeah, really. But if I take it, comes with a bunch of ridiculous.
That guy's wearing a vest.
Weird. Look at these hands. A day's hard yak up. They're alive. Shit.
Is he flirting?
Even from a farm.
No.
What's happening here?
So, let's hear it. Booger.
What? And it's the men that are doing this. The name calling, and then you want to be like, oh, who's gonna help us? What is this crayon gonna do? It's a start somewhere. Y'all aren't
Feels like
trying to
Every time I
fix
open my mouth,
anything
it shuts
amongst
down my
yourselves.
Ever just tried to be friends with a girl?
throat. Yeah, fully.
Not just to hook up.
Oh, we're gonna be besties.
Maybe you should start with that.
I just think it's a bit hobo that you're standing by an accused rapist.
Ash didn't do anything. And Harper doesn't hold him responsible.
Well, I'm glad Harper is so forgiving, but
Here's a campaign strategy for you. Mind
Yeah.
your own business.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that? Fuck, get away from me!
Anne-Marie. What is wrong? Anne-Marie. The second that man would have hit the floor, I would have been like, what? I'm so sorry. I take phobias very seriously.
Am I a bad person for staying with Cash?
No, Sasha's a bad
No.
person for saying that.
Definitely.
Hard if he is.
Are we gonna bump into whoever Chook is? Chuck?
Shook. It's gotta be.
I can't believe you talked us into this.
She
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no.
can we at least think of a lie in case we do end up getting caught by him? Be like, we were out of town, we're back, and we're looking for cash because we want some.
Anything that proves to keep following her and doing the dead bird.
Need to lie on the spot.
You left his phone.
Oh god.
Stole her bag.
Oh
And
my gosh.
put another dead bird. Put that dead bird on our doorstep. Be dumb enough to mess with that bitch when we're still awaiting trial. How's that gonna look for my boys, huh? No, not really.
Now you're making her situation a lot worse.
Not you.
Oh. Ah! Excuse me.
Look around you.
Y'all just left him?
Oh, come here.
Oh my god.
He's gunning for it.
Okay, I understand, Quinny. And Marie, you were trying to be this big bad boss chick. Yo, you left him?
Why do you think he chose what he told me?
Why is he trying to ruin his relationship with him?
To show that I am taking these concerns seriously, Jojo, by allowing them to do whatever this is.
We were lords. Come lords. For the come lords. For the come lords.
Okay. No, Darren.
See, we've only had one candidate come forward. Well done, Sasha.
I'm gonna run.
Okay, well done, Spencer. If you'd like to.
Do you feel?
Where did he get that from? Where did he pull that from?
I'm gonna run too.
Marie.
Maybe this is what I put my energy into. Making it up to everyone.
Malachi needs to stop with that looking up.
Wanna start tonight?
That's good.
Yay! Oh.
This is definitely fruity.
Don't psycho.
Wait, so they're after you now?
Maybe they were always after her.
No, they were always after me.
Get me in the writer's room.
He hardly hates me this much.
Okay, that was episode 1. Honestly, truly, biggest takeaway from this episode was Spider. Y'all should already know how I feel just based off of my face and the comments I've been making. Some pronouns. Be so for real right now. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we're gonna get into episode 2.
6 to year 8.
She threw a basketball in my face because I said I listened to Ed Sheeran.
She put a prawn in my sleeping bag in year 9 camp.
I only like shape of you. She's basically the reason I left partly.
What the heck?
She used me for my body.
Dusty.
She led me on for 2 years. She called me a self-righteous cat.
What?
Marie tried to drown me.
Well, you are. I cannot believe this. What is happening?
Random calling themselves Psycho started it last night. It already has 47 comments.
50 now. Captain, it's my duty to ensure.
Is there no way for you guys to track an IP address?
Harper, we know this is hard, but these are the kind of questions they'll ask you in
The trial and the appeals.
Heels?
these type of cases are given priority. But this isn't going to be over in 6 months, much as we'd all like it to.
Oh, I'm about to cry.
Okay. Well, I hope that making it an elective means we can have even more constructive and healthy discourse about
I see Zoe's in here. Girl, it was an accident.
Us girls, you for inviting other less sex-obsessed students into this class to shift it away from being an echo chamber.
Cousin, please.
Racist much?
No, she actually is my cousin.
He wasn't even sure. What in the world is going on?
Come lords.
What does that mean? Well, it's about making space.
Yeah, I think we've booked up this space for our values, really.
I believe that there's plenty of room for both.
I know you're lying. So she booked the space and you're still gonna be a prick about it.
Is it even halal?
Oh.
Get that pig off the oval!
Why don't we get this pig off the oval first?
The fuck did you just say?
No.
And that's
Listen,
Oh.
you like to.
example of your
This.
Be nice.
I'm finding it.
It take you that long to
It
find
does. It does.
Very nice. What's the secret?
If we could get away from the topic of cum for 1 second,
Come on.
man squad feel like they've got a monopoly on all the sports spaces.
It's not my fault nobody watches women's sport.
Excuse me?
Game of footy. When it gets big of the sports, we day tomorrow.
And basically create slots.
You're just trying to claim credit for something we all made up.
That's not even a thing. 57 comments? Are you kidding me? You're political poison. Do you really think people
She
are
made
gonna
it.
vote for someone who chucked a shit
The-
in
the-
the 19th
her- What is her name?
You're splitting the vote. If
I have a
you
feeling
vote,
she made it.
basically handing the captaincy
I have a
to
feeling
my
she's
sister.
bird bitch.
Definitely through
Bird psycho. Sorry. My theory?
Talking about
Sasha's best friend.
other stuff we talked about, or you just gonna ignore that?
Oh, that he might be bisexual.
Yep, pretty much.
I'm a monster.
Either way, I have a feeling she did it. She made it.
Well, the good news is
She's
we just
jealous of
recognized
Anne-Marie and
seven
Malachi,
out
and
of
she
a
made
very
it.
clear list of suspects. Where do I even
Oh.
start with this? The hell is Marine Takata?
You ate her when she got out of hospital.
Oh my god.
Relax. Malachi knows you're a good person.
How could he after all this? Just
Girl.
need to block out.
Okay, cool. So basically, lock him in a room until he accepts you're a great person.
Rooms, exciting twists and turns await you in this thrilling adventure.
Maybe Detectives Wadia and Mitchell can also solve the mystery of who's saying that shit about you online.
LOL.
Hey, it's Rowan. Maybe we should ask him to join us.
Oh, well, if it isn't Houdini. I'm starting to think you were dead.
Nan is about to put him in his place.
Oh, how was it then, Darren? Enlighten me. Because the last I heard, you told my grandson you loved him. But the minute he needed you, you disappeared. At least owe him an explanation.
From yourself.
Don't leave the poor girl. Have you heard the term jailbait?
Oh! Look at his face. Like, I have a feeling it's that Chook fellow. Ah! My God. All right, they got me. They got me.
I guess you're busy with your real life now.
Don't do that.
Your life.
Tell him what happened.
I told you the truth, Darren. I mean, I don't know what else you know. What you told me. You tell me the truth. I am telling you the truth. Why do you all of a sudden think I'm bullshit?
No, I just.
Tell him it's because of Chuck. Why aren't you telling him because Chuck put things in your head?
Angry.
Tell him.
How can you love me if you think I'm that kind of person?
What? I hate when. Oh my gosh, I hate. Don't do this. I hate when writers do that. It's always miscommunication. Just tell him that Chuck did something because he understands that Chuck is a butthole and is very dangerous and very intimidating. He'll understand that.
You good at escape rooms, hey?
Well, this guy I dated for a bit was really handsome, so I guess I picked up.
He's
Right.
letting him know that
Right, so
he
you
think he's so slick.
I mean, I actually had a threesome with a guy once. It's pretty gay, so.
Oh well, mate. That is up to you, so.
Don't make me like this. I need to have one ship. Let me just have one ship.
You know how we ended up with the Rude?
The duck.
Cousins about to drown them. Dougie just goes real quiet.
Is Chuck his cousin?
Here's the
That sounds like something Chuck would do.
say we live in a council
I
house.
hate Chuck.
Another living creature suffering. That's what I know about him.
Which means he didn't do it. He wasn't involved.
Anyway, that's how we ended up with a bloody duck.
A bloody duck?
I just stretched my back out. That room was
He knows exactly what. Oh, and well, he probably doesn't. Don't go bothering her.
What's legal aid?
It's when you're a povo loser and you can't afford to pay for your own lawyer.
Hey, you're not a fucking loser.
She can't afford it either.
Weird all day. It's so obvious what's
on. You think I'm a bitch because all the stuff in the bird psycho thread.
Already told you.
Girl.
About that. Yeah, there are other things.
Maybe he
going on in
just
my
won't
life
have
that's
sex.
Not about your drama.
Why are you shutting me out?
Typical of you. You're making drama out of nothing. All I wanted was to just hang out, stress free.
There was no stress. Where's the stress?
What do we call this?
I don't know. You being fuckwit.
Honestly, I really don't need this right now.
This is serious shit, Lawrence. Nay,
The jerseys.
Our voices heard, so we can be free to be who we are.
Regardless of whether it's damaging to other people around you.
You have just as much of a right to sports this bullshit idea that men.
Is he gonna join Cum Lords?
Just what happened yesterday?
So, I get feelings every day.
Oh, not so much. Why don't you join?
And maybe I will.
You led him right into the alright. So now I do not like Amory like at all.
Get out. Hold myself up in pig's fat. No one's gonna tackle me.
Ew. What? Okay. I don't really know the game, so I thought that they were losing. Foul. Harper, what are we doing?
Breather and phone. Oh, okay. So tell me, why were you just trying to kill Anthony? You're standing there telling me you're all well and good. That girl I just saw on the field was carrying some pretty major rage.
You really want to help me? Stop everyone from treating me like I'm made of glass. Give me some money so I can get some proper clothes to wear to this trial so I don't look like a bag of shit victim. Give me lawyers who don't call me unsympathetic.
I hope the principal has a huge role in Harper's storyline. Yeah. Yeah. Is he into her now? I still think it's her though. I still think it's her. But that's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Any of other safe spaces around the school that we can go to? Safe?
I hope so.
Or is it just a space that encourages teens to have sex?
Is she serious? Zoe can leave.
Yes, but I think Zoe and her Puritans are in the wrong class.
Yeah.
We're sex positive here.
Yeah, I'm sex positive too. Positive that meaningless sex leaves you feeling like shit.
Completely season.
No, security! Security!
I've gone. It's all over TikTok. That celibacy improves mental clarity and energy
I saw a
levels.
TikTok that
Okay.
says that orgasms actually improve the immune system and cardiovascular health.
If we could all stop taking medical advice from TikTok.
True.
I'm happier. I have a stronger sense of self-worth. I'm in a committed
Then why are you in
relationship,
this
feeling
space?
secure. Yeah, it's the reason I don't get into the sort of unfortunate
Get her out.
situations that some other girls have found themselves.
Get her out.
It's no secret that you're the kind of girl that has reasons, has zero sense of self-worth, and fucks other people's boyfriends.
Oh no, see, it's on. It's on now in Beverly Hills. It's on.
Everyone keeps.
Why go and occupy a space that wasn't even meant for you in the first place? It's sex positive, and you're not wanting to have sex. By all means, go on ahead. And then on top of that, she's almost if you're the type to do all the things she did after she was in that situation in the first place, get your timeline correct, Zoe.
I was thinking you were kind of hot.
Do not have sex in this nurse's office. And do not have sex. Period. Oh my god.
Stable.
Good job.
I don't know, maybe you're not in the right headspace or something.
Good job. He's aware. We love that.
Okay, I have no idea what's going on with you, but I deserve to know. Do you want to be with me or not?
Oh my gosh.
What if we just took it slow for a bit? Like, keep it casual, no labels or anything for a bit.
So talking.
Okay. So you getting it? I'm getting it. I don't get it.
A receipt that I ran through Google Translate. A receipt for a place called Lucky Duck, which is an internet cafe in Maroubra. It says Good Luck Duck, the restaurant in Matraville. Like a duck. You're supposed to be a vegan.
Another bird?
Sometimes you need to walk through fire to be.
What the heck does that mean?
That's the way that you did, they'd be fucking gone. End of the day, lad. You and me have been through too much shit together.
I just like just
People
wanna.
don't give a shit, Cash. Shut up,
So that's the cousin. He's the cousin. He's the cousin that was trying to kill the birds. I mean the ducks.
Wrong answer, forehead.
Either that or he must have some kind of crush on him or something.
When this is all over, I'm gonna be waiting to welcome you home.
He's not gonna be coming home. And y'all better not let Nan die.
Oh, hey. What are you doing here?
Oh, I was just I just really I wanted some wood.
Well, you've come to the right place. We've got some house frame, if that's what you were looking for. But I get the feeling you don't really care about any of that.
I don't know.
Oh, they're gonna make me like him.
I guess I.
Oh, they're gonna make me ship them.
To see you.
Happy with your decision?
Yeah, I'm really happy.
It's all that matters. Thank you.
It's stories like hers that make me wish that when people take things to court, it gets taken to court right. Well, not right away, but like a lot quicker than they really make it to be. Because then you have things like that happen where they feel like nothing's happening. There's no motion for real. Everything's going on forever. Don't go over there. And in front of your nan, don't do that. I know you fucking lied. That was disrespectful. That was honestly disrespectful. That was episodes 1 and 2 of Heartbreak High. And in all honesty, I'm definitely sat for this show. I need the writing. I felt like the writing in season 1 felt very not too predictable, but it felt natural for this season where miscommunication is a thing. Like in season 1, granted, yeah, it was completely understandable why Malachi didn't really say anything, or like because he was going through it and it was fairly fresh. Why Harper didn't say anything, because it was definitely something very serious and she was going through it. It was fairly fresh with her. But now this season, it's kind of like the main thing is miscommunication with Cash and Darren. Tell him it was Chuck. Chuck got to you and he was in your ear, basically. Even get into detail. Get into detail so then Cash can get upset too. I just need him to speak. Stop with all the stuttering. Stop with all the trying to get around, jump around. Tell him what happened because Chuck is his boss. So obviously he's gonna understand, oh, he was intimidating you, he got his hands on you, he was very difficult. Literally, we seen him get punched by Chuck last season. So he's going to understand. You get me? Like, just talk. And then Anne-Marie, girl, granted, your boyfriend did not tell you that he was bisexual. He didn't tell you anything, but girl, maybe last season was indeed all about like your connection to certain stories, but this season, not everything is about you. Your boyfriend is going through kind of like, I guess, I wouldn't say self-finding, because it seems like he knows because he spoke with the other girl. I still have no idea what that girl's name is, but he spoke with her over break. He probably has a good idea that he's bi-curious, maybe? I feel like it's her low key, but I'm really trying to figure out how we've even gotten to. If I keep looking up, I'm sorry. I trying to make sure that the camera's still recording. But anyways, how we got to, I guess, our prom getting ending in flames. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share, of course. We're gonna really truly get into dissecting. I might even have to pull out my iPad for episodes 3 and 4 in the next video and make sure I jot down my points, because honestly, truly, there's a lot of things going on in this show so far, referring to equality amongst the sexes. And Spider, count your days. Count your days, because it might not be you, but you are indeed gonna get some. But yeah, you will find all of my socials, find my clubs, everything in the description box down below. All right, I think that's it. I think I hit all my points. Okay, bye.